Today, we'll guide you through setting up your new Garmin Tactix 8 Solar or AMOLED Edition Adventure Watch. In this video, we'll be using the AMOLED Edition, but the steps are similar on the other editions. Garmin recommends charging your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank, or if your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. First, press and hold the light button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start/Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we'll be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Then allow the Garmin Connect app access to your Tactix 8. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm in the Garmin Connect app. You can also allow the Garmin Connect app access to your contacts and call history. Then, select Pair. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services, including music, Wi-Fi, and Garmin Pay. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your Tactix 8 will confirm a few on-watch settings. First, we will set the text size. Press the up or down buttons to change the size. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm the text size. Next, we will be able to set up our activity list. Select the green check mark to continue. Here you will see the available activity types. By default, the most popular activities will be selected. Simply select a type to view the activities to select from. Press the Start/Stop button to select activities to include on your list. When finished, scroll to the bottom of the list and select Done. Now that your watch setup is complete, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. Pro tip: your watch is highly customizable, allowing you to change data and organization to fit your needs. This includes the watch face, shortcuts, activities list, glances, and more. We will showcase each of these throughout the video. Now let's learn how to use the touchscreen to operate the watch. Simply tap on the touchscreen to enable the backlight. Swipe down from the center of the screen to open the notifications. Swipe up or down to scroll through pages. Touch an option to select it. Covering the screen with your palm will return you to the watch face and turn off the screen. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. Now let's cover some basics to help you navigate your watch. While on the watch face, pressing the down button will scroll through glances where you can quickly view important data such as heart rate, training information, and more. Pressing the Start/Stop button will open the Apps and Activities menu. Some of these items include Run, Rucking, Tactical, Clocks, Map, and many more. Pressing and holding the light button will open the Controls menu. Here you can access features such as Garmin Pay Wallet and volume settings. Pressing and holding the Up menu button will open the menu and settings. Here you can customize your watch face, sound, display, and many more settings. quickly press the light button twice to access the flashlight. Your watch also lets you pin up to 3 of your favorite activities for quick access. To pin an activity, open the Activities and Apps menu. Select Activities. Locate the activity you want to pin. Press and hold the Up menu button to bring up the menu. Select Pin Activity. Now your activity will be on the top of the Activities and Apps menu for quick access. Your watch also includes a speaker and microphone. When paired to your compatible smartphone, your watch can use these components to make and receive calls. The microphone and speaker are also used when triggering your phone assistant while paired to your compatible smartphone. This is especially handy if your smartphone is in a gym bag and you need to perform a task such as sending a message or taking a call. Additionally, your watch includes voice command that utilizes the microphone and speaker to complete various watch interactions. Some of these include starting a run, setting a timer, taking a note, or adjusting the watch volume. This is also available when not paired to your compatible smartphone. And that's it. Your Garmin Tactix 8 Adventure watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.